Hello everyone and welcome to part 6 of our tutorial series. In this one we'll be using live views to create a rear view mirror for our vehicle. Live views are a feature in our Unreal Engine integration that allows us to play Unreal rendered textures onto our UI. This can have multiple purposes, including but not limited to. The most common ones would be to create, let's say, a mirror or something like a character portrait mode where you're able to see your character model and change it. And now we'll start in Unreal Engine to create the render target that will be embedded in our UI. We have already created one called Rearview Mirror, but let's start from the beginning and show you how you can easily make one. We have a longer video where it goes into more details about this that I'll link down in the description, and I'll also link our documentation where all of this is also explained. So the first thing, we need to create the render target, which is under textures and render target. And let's call it test, just for the sake of it. We can open test, and now here are a few settings that we need to set. The ones are the size, and let's just say 720 to create something that sort of resembles our rear view mirror. And the other thing that we need to set is to set the target gamma to 2.2 because Gameface doesn't do any gamma correction. And now that we have this test, we can create a camera that will get its what it sees and display it in our UI in this render texture. So to do that, I've already created in our sports car blueprint in the sports car pawn inside the viewport, and we let's say left, and we already have this camera setup. Inside our pawn we need to set a camera, which can be done by adding a scene capture component. And in this scene capture component we can set the texture or target to be this test texture target that we've already created. So let's set it here, and we need to set the capture source to be final color LDR, and that's about everything. So now we can go to the test and do the following: copy reference, get into our code, create an image tag, and the source just pastes the reference that we just created. And let's add a class and call it rear view mirror. So in this rear view mirror we can style it a bit. So we can go rear view mirror, and let's set the width to be 60 inch. Let's set the height to, let's try 20. We go inside Unreal, we've saved this, and we can go play, and we can see everything it sees, the camera sees in the back. So okay, we can see when we pass the cars, we can see right behind us. Great. And all it's left to do is just style it a little bit more. Let's add a small border, let's VH solid, and let's make it black. Let's give the border radius, let's say 3VH, to make it a little bit more curved like a mirror. And let's set the position absolute, left is 50%, and top should be 2%. And we can do a transform, translate x minus 50%. And with that, our rear view mirror will be in the middle of our game. And just adjust this height to be like 15. So, okay, now this looks a little bit better. And we can see all the cars as we pass them by behind us. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like and share. And if you haven't already done so, subscribe to our channel. We're planning to release more content in the future, so if you have any ideas or feedback on the current one, do leave us a comment down below. Thank you and have a great day.